guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Harley, your future or current addiction. And today we are back with another Simply Slayed affordable wig review. So the Simply Slayed that I'm doing today is just a little bit different than the ones that I normally do. And that is because the unit that I'm reviewing today comes from Amazon, you guys. And as you all know, Amazon is the place to go for that 2-day shipping, soon to be 1-day shipping. I cannot wait for that. The deals across the board are always amazing. I've actually been hearing a lot of talk that there have been some really great units coming from Amazon lately. So I got my hands on something that I am hoping that may be a gem from Amazon. Here is my Amazon package, you guys. So this is the box right out of the Amazon packaging itself. And this unit comes from a company called Joedir. I believe it's called Joedir or Joedir. One of the two. How about we're just gonna keep it bougie style and we're gonna call it Joedir. I really love the box. It looks so elegant. It just looks really cool, you guys. So the unit that they sent me is a heat-safe synthetic lace front unit. And this particular unit is in the style Woma. And it is in the color TT1B30. So let's dive into this one, you guys. I'm so excited. So this is what the inside of the box looks like, you guys. We have the unit here. Look at this, you guys. This is so cool. A wig cap comes in here, as you can see. And it's like the same material as the box. I think this is so cool. It also comes with a pair of lashes that your girl is not gonna wear, but that's nice that they added that in there anyway. This is the coolest thing I think I've ever received inside of a wig box, especially a synthetic wig. It comes with a wig stand. This is so cool, you guys. How many times have you ordered a wig that was like around $50 and it came with a wig stand? Like, never. I believe this unit does go for about $50. Let me look it up and see. Okay, so on Amazon.com, this unit is $49.99 and it is eligible for free 1-day shipping if you have a Prime membership. Oh my god, so the Prime membership stuff is 1 day already? I thought this wasn't gonna start until like later in the year. No wonder why I got this so fast. 1-day shipping, you guys. That is so cool. On the Amazon website, this unit has 4 stars and it looks great in the picture, so I am so excited. Okay, so now on to the unit itself. Okay, you guys, so this is the unit. It looks so pretty in my hands, but I've been fooled before. But it looks so nice in my hands. It feels really good. This is what the lace looks like in the front area. It comes styled in a center part. However, it is a full 13x4 lace front, which I think is really nice. And the lace is tinted like a light brown, which is also a nice thing in my eyes. It has a comb in the back and adjustable bands. And it also has a comb here, one here, and also one on this side. Alright guys, I am like too excited to try this unit on. I love finding affordable gems for you guys. So we are going to see if this one ends up in our gem pile. Before I get into customizing and putting this unit on, if you're interested in the unit that I have on right now, I will leave a link right here in the cards that you can go to and see all about this unit. I'm just gonna leave that video right there, so all your questions you can just leave them on that video. And I'm about to get into styling in this one.
I heard you like it rough, I can pin your body down to a wall right now. Girl, I know you like that, stop frontin', oh yeah. Cause I like what you like. Girl, got an attitude, do you vibe? I'm just playing with you, tryna lay up like I'm tryna make a layup. Would you let me lay up, would you let me in?